Welcome to the Expert Drive channel. Introducing the 2026 Kia Telluride, Kia's boldest and most refined SUV yet. Finished in a pristine white exterior, this new generation combines futuristic styling. Up front, the 2026 Telluride takes on a sharper, cleaner approach. The illuminated Kia emblem is framed by a razor-thin LED light bar that stretches across the grille, creating a powerful visual signature on the road. It's futuristic, elegant, and unmistakably premium. The wide black mesh grille emphasizes strength and confidence, while the integrated LED headlights flow seamlessly into the body for a look that's modern yet timeless. Every element feels purposefully designed to balance sophistication with authority. From the back, the Telluride showcases a completely reimagined design. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, seamlessly merging with the illuminated KIA badge. It's a sleek, futuristic detail that gives the SUV a high-tech identity, both day and night. The bold Telluride lettering sits prominently below the badge, ensuring everyone knows this is Kia's flagship SUV. The sculpted bumper, sporty diffuser, and aerodynamic rear lines add a modern touch of performance-inspired styling. Step inside, and the 2026 Telluride welcomes you with a luxurious black leather interior. The cabin exudes sophistication, blending comfort with modern technology. Every surface, every stitch, and every control has been carefully refined to deliver a premium driving experience. The driver's cockpit is sleek and intuitive. A wide digital display integrates the instrument cluster with the infotainment system, providing crystal-clear navigation, entertainment, and vehicle information. The steering wheel, finished with the Kia logo, puts advanced controls right at your fingertips. The center console is all about convenience and elegance. From the gear selector to the climate controls, everything is positioned for easy access. The large infotainment touchscreen supports the latest connectivity features, ensuring you and your passengers stay connected wherever you go. The spacious seating, paired with a panoramic sunroof, creates an airy and open atmosphere inside. Premium black leather seats provide comfort and support, making every drive, whether short commutes or long family trips, an experience in luxury. Passenger comfort is at the heart of the Telluride's design. With generous legroom, refined materials, and advanced climate controls, every seat in this SUV feels like the best seat in the house. If you enjoyed this first look at the 2026 Kia Telluride, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more future car reveals and reviews.